It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, crypto's finest champagne. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Thursday to all the boomers out there as we're getting closer to wrap this one up. What a wild week it's been. Very turbulent, although the stocks have been green and Bitcoin has been doing well. So there's a little silver lining there as well. So let's go ahead and talk about how the markets may open up today. I'm seeing the futures slightly in the red. Let's see. They've been basically green all week. A little bit of red here, I'm not concerned about. I'm also excited about the 10-year yield continues to go up. Now it's at 0.75, which is very bullish. Very bullish. So let's keep our eyes on that. Gold is holding well. Bitcoin up to like 96, doing well. So amongst this turbulent time, we still have the assets going up in value, which is it's crazy. You got American cities burning down. You got the economy at a standstill, yet things still go up. Of course, this is fake, funny bunny, manufactured economy, and they could pull the plug whenever they want, guys. So just keep an eye on it, and let's ride these waves is what we could do. We identify the opportunities, and we get in, get out, and the majority have been all right. The majority of the opportunities that we've identified have been all right, specifically Ether. And on the stocks, specifically Fiverr and Work, have done very well for us. Now, if you've been tuning into the champ, I've been doing a weekly move, a put credit spread on the stocks, where I define my risk with a defined amount of collateral. So that defined amount of collateral also defines my profit and my profit margin, at least. And I also have a defined amount of risk. So basically, I'm selling a put saying that if the stock goes down, I'll buy the stock at a certain price, and then I'm buying a put, which means that I can sell it to somebody else if it keeps going down, as basically like some insurance. In order to do that move, you need a collateral, and you get credited up front. So if you want to know more about that, I have that video, trading a put credit spread on Robinhood. I did it on Slack, which is abbreviated work on the exchanges. So I'm going to do another one. I have one on right now that expires tomorrow on eBay, doing great. And it's basically the ones that I've have been successful to me, all of them on Work and on eBay. You guys know that I did one on Amazon, and that one was unsuccessful. But I've calculated somewhere of $100 collateral. I'm trying to get about at least $25 out of my $100 collateral. Of course, there's always a risk, and I'm trying to get into plays that I have at least a 75% probability of hitting. So, I'm willing to put up the collateral if I have at least a 75% chance according to the math. So I'm going to do another put credit spread that expires next Friday. I'll either put the order in today or tomorrow. I'm looking at Work and eBay again. I may just keep doing those. eBay's been ripping. Fiverr's been doing good. The thing is with Fiverr, the options contracts are not as, what's the word I'm looking? Voluminous, or they don't have enough volume. That's not true either. It's not that they don't have enough volume, but the options are fewer. So you have like every 2 weeks, or every once a month, or every 2 weeks you have an option contract with things like Fiverr and specifically Fiverr. But with eBay, there's one every single week. Okay, and the strike price difference are always $1. So basically each strike price requires $100 collateral. So follow me on this one, guys, because it's been a move. The put credit spread has been a move that's been just hitting every single time, with the exception of the Amazon play. And that one, I almost hit it, but I just had the contract closed too early. 15 minutes more and I would have been in the money, but coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? Anyhow, that's what's going on, guys. Bitcoin up. It's not up, but it's looking good at 96. Let's keep an eye on it. It has to break 10,000 and stay there. Ether's looking good. I think Ether is going to go back to 250 and to 300, obviously. In my opinion. Again, I could be wrong. And then, of course, the stocks are going to I don't see them going down much. I mean, today the futures are set to open up slightly in the red, but you know, let's keep an eye on it. It looks like the trend is still bullish, guys. It looks like the trend is still bullish. Don't ask me. There is no economy. There's just a money printing machine. So we'll talk about it today during the live stream. Drop a comment here in the population of the chat box. I'm gonna go ahead and get some supplies, bring some milk home for the babies. And I'm always stacked up. I'm always stacked up. You got to make sure you're always stacked up, because they could always pull. They can, at any moment, they can pull the plug and they can go back to an emergency state. We're already in an emergency, but you know what I mean. They could do another emergency. So just be ready. Make sure you have your guns, your ammo, your cash, and after that, you can worry about the stocks. In my opinion, I got to do the whole channel in my opinion, because you know there's YouTube cucks out there, guys. Anyhow, stay strong. It's The Voice, Champagne Crypto. Thanks for tuning in.